Spring has sprung, which means it's that time of year again, well, spring, for spring cleaning. But the good news is it doesn't have to cost you an arm and a leg to clean your home. And here to tell us more is News Corp's savvy shopper columnist Serina Bird. Serina, you thrifty little wonderkund. How are you?
I'm really well. How are you, Joe?
Awesome, fantastic, thank you, man. Now, you have an amazing plan to clean your home using just 6 key ingredients for less than $22. No, how?
Yes. Well, these are my Super 6. So we've got methylated spirits. Used to be easier to get before COVID, but you could still buy it. Eucalyptus oil, which is a fabulous cleaner and a natural disinfectant. Pure soap, so I've got some that's been cut up here. Vinegar, white vinegar, which you can use in your house for cleaning as well as eating. Bicarbonate of soda. You can see I've got a super big bag because I use a lot. And electric soda.
Oh,
so those 6 things, which cost less than $22,
electric soda.
will clean your house.
Never heard of electric soda. Is that what you said?
Electric soda.
Oh,
yes, so it's
electric.
washing soda.
You can't plug your phone into it.
So it's a key ingredient in a So it's quite an alkaline product. It's natural, and so it's much better for the environment than a lot of commercial products that are available. And it is super alkaline and is a very effective cleaner.
Okay, great. Let's get to the disinfectant spray that we can make ourselves. How to?
Good. So this is a very strong surface spray, so it's great for cleaning your kitchen, and it also has natural disinfectant properties. So what you need is boiling hot water, so 1.5 litres. You also need some white vinegar. You need some of this eucalyptus oil, which is the key ingredient for this, a little bit of electric soda, and also with this one, it's not on my Super 6, but most people have it in their house anyway, which is a bit of dishwashing liquid, just to help it be a little bit bubbly.
Awesome.
So those key ingredients will make a surface spray that you can use for, well, actually, I make one batch about a year. It's really, really effective.
Unreal, and it's just as effective as any of the ones you buy in the supermarket. And what about your own laundry powder?
Yeah, well, this is pretty much one of my most popular recipes, and it's super easy. And if you have a really good quality food processor or a Thermomix or a thermo cooker, it's super easy to whip up. So the ingredients are basically 1 cake of soap, and I usually cut it up first, and then I whack it into the food processor.
Is that
and make
your
it
regular
super fine.
Sunlight soap?
It is indeed. So here I've just got another brand of pure soap, but it is important to get a good quality pure soap, a laundry soap. So a Sunlight soap is excellent for this purpose. And it's actually really good. It's actually quite good for delicates as well. So it's a good quality soap. And 2 cups of bicarbonate of soda.
Yep. So keep going, yep.
Sorry, I was just pausing because it's really hard with a live cross, isn't it?
Delay, yeah,
and then 1 cup of this electric soda. And so combine all of these, pulverise them, and then add a few drops, up to 20 drops of eucalyptus oil, and pulverise it all. And so all of that then makes this, which is this laundry powder, and I use less than 1 tablespoon per wash. And it's very effective.
Wow, that is just amazing. Serina, it is always a great pleasure. And obviously, once you've done all your chores, then you just grab the methylated spirits, mix it with a bit of orange juice, and that'll get you through lockdown. No, don't do that. Don't do that, kids. Don't do that. To find out more, look for the Savvy Shopper column in your local News Corp newspaper, or Smart Daily, the excellent little lift out that we're in today. I'll visit savvyshopper.net.au. Serina, it's always such a joy and so informative. Thank you so much.